Imagine the crowd roaring, the court vibrating under the pressure of an intense NBA game. The final seconds, the ball in Michael Jordan's hands, and then, history was made. This iconic moment in the 1998 NBA Finals cemented Jordan's legendary status and changed the NBA forever. This was a defining moment not just for Michael Jordan but for the NBA as well. But to appreciate such moments, we need to go back to the beginning, when NBA was just a budding idea. In the year 1946, the NBA sprouted from a merger between the Basketball Association of America and its rival, the National Basketball League. Those initial years weren't easy, with the league struggling to gain traction and make a name for itself in the competitive world of sports. Yet, through perseverance and a passion for the game, the NBA pushed through. So, the NBA we know today was born, and it was ready to make its mark. From its humble beginnings, the NBA began to evolve, introducing changes that would revolutionize the game. The shot clock was a game changer, adding pace and excitement. Expansion teams broadened the league's reach, while the NBA-ABA merger in the 70s further solidified its status. The rise of stars like Magic Johnson and Larry Bird in the 80s, Michael Jordan in the 90s, and the influx of international talent all contributed to the league's growth. These changes in stars propelled the NBA to global fame, making it the powerhouse it is today. Today, the NBA is more than just a basketball league, it's a global phenomenon. Powerhouses such as the Golden State Warriors and icons like LeBron James have dominated the court, drawing millions to the thrill of the game. Technology has revolutionized game analysis and player training, propelling the sport to new heights. Beyond the court, the NBA's influence permeates pop culture and plays a pivotal role in social issues. The NBA has come a long way since 1946, and it continues to evolve, shaping not only the sport of basketball but the world around it. From Michael Jordan's final shot to the birth and evolution of the NBA, we've traveled a fascinating journey. We've relived the iconic moments, traced the league's roots, and explored its evolution and modern-day influence. So, next time you watch an NBA game, remember you're not just watching a sport, you're witnessing a piece of history.